So, good morning po, sir. My name is Natalie Q. Gonzalez from 11 STEM course from the school, Caloocan City Business High School, and we're conducting a research titled Monsters in Your Sleep, a phenomenological study of the health threats of sleeping pill abuse. So, what's your name po, sir?
Jean, my name is Jean.
So, tsaka age po.
35.
So, first question po, have you ever used sleeping pills?
Yes.
What do you think are the health threats of sleeping pill abuse?
For long-term use, it could impair your memory ability. Yung memory natin, medyo humihina.
Third question, what do you think are the possible reasons or circumstances that lead adolescent to start using sleeping pills?
Siguro, okay na mga Tagalog, ano? Siguro yung nila, yung lifestyle nila na, tapos syempre sa panahon natin ngayon, yung social media and also use of cellphone, it can impair your yung lifestyle ba, yung oras ng paggamit nila. So sometimes na-abuse nila yon and nag-extend sila dun sa oras ng pagtulog dapat nila. So in turn, parang nahirapan silang matulog.
Fourth question, do you think external pressures...
Ano po yung personal reasons kung bakit gumamit ng virus sleeping pill?
Kasi ako as a nurse, kailangan ko kasing matulog eh. May time kasi na night shift ako, pero nahirapan akong matulog right away. May next shift pa ako the next day, so I need to use that para makatulog agad.
When did you start using sleeping pills?
Age of 30.
So fourth question po, do you think external pressures such as school or work-related stress, social media influences, or peer pressure affect the decision to use sleeping pills? In what ways?
Yes, I think so. Kasi yun nga, sabi ko nga kanina, yung social media nga, mataas yung nila yung influence nila sa adolescents ngayon. Ayun, nabanggit ko na rin kanina, yun nga, so overuse ng cellphone natin, minsan nai-impair na yung sleeping pattern natin. So yun siguro kaya gumagamit sila.
So fifth question.
Hanggang ngayon po gumagamit na rin po kayo?
Super madalang na.
Anong age po kayo parang medyo sumobra ng paggamit? Or like
Napadalas, yun nga nung age 30 to 31. Pero ngayon, madalang na talaga.
So fifth question po, were there any instances that you used sleeping pills more than the allotted dosage? What prompted you to do this?
Sorry, I have to say no. Actually, hindi pa ako nag-overuse na yun.
Pero if ever po na sa tingin nyo na mag-overdose po kayo ng sleeping pills, sa tingin nyo po ano po yung mangyayari?
Yun nga, kung long term yan, meron kang memory loss or pagka naman, yung circadian rhythm natin, yung sleeping pattern natin, may impair na. Kasi mawawala yung natural ability ng natin, ng katawan natin para matulog ng sarili.
If ever man po nag-overdose kayo, what could be the possible reason?
Ayun, nabanggit ko na. Kasi yung memory loss.
Okay, so, the last question po, do you believe that usage of sleeping pills has helped you in any way?
Yeah, of course. Kaya nga ginamit ko siya. Kasi nga, especially pagka kailangan mo na matulog, it can help you, no, na makatulog ka agad-agad.
Thank you po.